Today's we're going to be at some animals that were discovered or rediscovered in 2022. Named after Taylor Swift to a bamboo-dwelling tarantula and a leafhopper with a metallic sheen. But first, 1. Meet Europe's newest slug species, the pseudocinereoniger, which is as big as a medium-sized carrot. It is brown-gray in color, with a ridge along its back and measuring 20 centimeters in length. It might seem odd that such a large animal could go undiscovered for so long in Europe, which has well-studied fauna and flora. It was discovered in Terra Canyon in Montenegro by a group of international scientists who took part in a field trip organized by Taxon Expeditions. 2. Borneo's old field mouse. Ecuador has gained a new species of Andean mouse thanks to a recent paper describing Thomasimys burnoi, found in the remote and difficult-to-access wet montane forest of Songhai National Park in the Andes. This is the largest of the Thomasimys species in Ecuador. The species name of burnoi honors the Ecuadorian mammalogist Santiago F. Borneo from the Pontifical Catholic University of Ecuador, in recognition of his teaching and support of mammalogists, both in Ecuador and the United States of America. 3. Jiangxi giant salamander. Nicknamed as living fossils, the giant salamanders are impressive amphibians that can reach almost 2 meters in length. The Jiangxi giant salamander, A. jiangxiensis, with both Jiangxi of its common name and jiangxiensis of its scientific name derived from the locality in which it is found, the Jiangxi province, China. The Jiangxi giant salamander also has a genetically pure wild but also listed as critically endangered on the UCAN Red List population. 4. Sponge crab Lamarctromia beagle. Sporting a sea sponge beret and a fluffy coat, this crab has got to be one of the most stylish crustaceans in our oceans. It was recently described as a new species after a specimen was found washed up on a beach in Denmark, Western Australia. The family that found the crab sent it off to the Western Australian Museum for identification, and scientists realized that it was an undescribed species. The crab belongs to the Dromidae family, which are known as sponge crabs and use sea sponges and ascidians, such as sea squirts, to provide protection, particularly the sponges that produce unpleasant chemicals to deter predators. 5. Fish, Poecilicorax calipers and P. rhizophilus, Brazil. Scientists have described 2 new fish species of South American darters in the Poecilicorax genus, the first to described in the small subfamily Creniogene in 57 years. P. calypterus males have red-orange fins and a distinctive dark spot in front of the tail, whilst P. rhizophilus is amber yellow and is so small that it is considered a miniature fish, i.e. less than an inch long when mature. Both species were found during scientific surveys during 2015 and 2016 in the Apu region, in streams roughly 25 miles north of the Brazilian city of Apu, at the edges of human encroachment into Amazon rainforest. Before we move on, I've got a little challenge for you that'll take 5 seconds to complete, so here's the deal. You just leave a like on this video, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell and you will get 25 years of amazing luck. Try it really works. And that's all for today. Later guys.